About this item: AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter. This compact USB Wi-Fi adapter provides long-range and lag-free connections wherever you are. Upgrade your PCs or laptops to 802.11 AC standards, which are 3 times faster than wireless N speeds. Smooth lag-free connections. Get Wi-Fi speeds up to 200 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 433 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. With these upgraded speeds, web surfing, gaming, and streaming online is much more enjoyable without buffering or interruptions. Dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Dual bands provide flexible connectivity, giving your devices access to the latest routers for faster speeds and extended range. 0.5 dB high gain antenna. The high gain antenna of the Archer T2U Plus greatly enhances the reception and transmission of Wi-Fi signal strengths. OS compatibility. This Wi-Fi receiver supports Windows versions 11/10/8.1/8/7/XP and Mac OS X 10.9 to 10.14. OS driver installation may be required. Please visit the TP-Link website for the latest drivers for your operating systems. Operating temperature: 0 degrees C, 40 degrees C, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 104